जब एक डिस्ट्रॉयर, एक फ्रिगेट और एक सबमरीन तीनों को एक साथ कमीशन किया जा रहा है। गर्व की बात कि ये तीनों फ्रंटलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स मेड इन इंडिया है।
Today marks a historic day for the Indian Navy. For the first time ever, 3 warships have been commissioned together: INS Nilgiri, INS Surat and INS Vakshir. And significantly, all of these have been manufactured in-house by Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders in Mumbai. In fact, the ships have been manufactured with 75% indigenous materials and some collaborations with global manufacturers. This event will be noticed by countries across the world. It's a big boost not just for India's combat and strategic powers, but also indigenous manufacturing capabilities. Around 60 warships are being built in Indian shipyards right now, showing how the Navy is strengthening its fleet and focusing on indigenization. Let's take a look at what these 3 warships bring for us and what makes them such game changers. INS Nilgiri signifies a generational leap in the design of Indian warships. She is the first and lead ship of the 7 stealth frigates of Project 17A, which is considered to be a major advancement over the frigates that the Navy currently has. INS Nilgiri has features that increases her stealth to a huge extent. Basically, in other ships, there are a lot of fittings on the forecastle. You can see anchors, cables and other equipment. But here the deck is clean and everything has been shifted to a concealed space below. This means that the ship has better radar suppression as well. Also, the ship's infrared signature is reduced and Nilgiri is the first frigate which has the MF Star MR SAM complex and air surveillance radar. This comes as a big leap for the Navy's anti-air warfare capabilities. In fact, INS Nilgiri actually has a special significance for the Indian Navy because back in 1968, it was the first Make in India project of the Leander class frigates when then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi had launched the erstwhile Nilgiri. The ship was commissioned in 1972 and eventually decommissioned on 31st May 1996. But of course, her legacy lives on and it got a new life today. INS Surat is a stealth missile destroyer. It's the 4th and final ship of the Project 15B warships of the Indian Navy. Project 15B is basically a makeover of the 15A Kolkata class destroyers and their capabilities are significantly enhanced. This is the Indian Navy's largest destroyer and it has the distinction of being the indigenous warship built in the shortest time. INS Surat took just 31 months from launch to commissioning, which is historic. The predecessors of INS Surat were INS Visakhapatnam, INS Mormugao, INS Imphal, which were commissioned in 2021, 22 and 23 respectively. The ship is armed with state-of-the-art weaponry from surface-to-surface BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles and Barak 8 surface-to-air missiles to indigenous 76 mm super rapid gun mount and anti-submarine weapon fit. It also has an advanced sensor suite that can provide a continuous multi-dimensional surveillance bubble around the ship. Both INS Nilgiri and Surat can operate a range of helicopters during operations both during the day and night. In fact, they are also India's first warships to have separately built accommodation to support women sailors and officers. INS Vakshir is the 6th and last submarine of the Kalvari class built on the French Scorpene design. It's much stealthier than India's other submarines. It has a modern weapons system with advanced sonar, radar surveillance systems and SATCOM systems, and it can go into enemy territory unnoticed. The boat's undersea warfare capabilities comprise of a cluster of advanced weapons and sensors which enables long-range detection. Only the top half of the boat is visible above the waterline. In fact, with this boat, Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders took Make in India a step further with indigenized main batteries, intercoms and air conditioning systems as well. Vakshir also had a namesake in the past like Nilgiri. The erstwhile INS Vakshir was commissioned in 1974 and decommissioned in 1997. Together, these three new warships will make the Indian Navy all the more formidable.
ये नए फ्रंटियर प्लेटफॉर्म भारत की सुरक्षा और प्रगति दोनों को नया सामर्थ्य देंगे। साथियों, आज भारत पूरे विश्व और खासकर ग्लोबल साउथ में एक भरोसेमंद और जिम्मेदार साथी के रूप में पहचाना जा रहा है। भारत विस्तारवाद नहीं, भारत विकासवाद की भावना से काम करता है। भारत ने हमेशा ओपन, सिक्योर, इंक्लूसिव और प्रॉस्परस इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन का समर्थन किया है। इसलिए जब समुद्र से सटे देशों के विकास की बात आई तो भारत ने मंत्र दिया सागर। सागर का मतलब है सिक्योरिटी एंड ग्रोथ फॉर ऑल इन द रीजन। हम सागर के विजन के साथ आगे बढ़े। जब भारत के सामने G20 की प्रेसिडेंसी संभालने का दायित्व आया तो दुनिया को हमने मंत्र दिया वन अर्थ, वन फैमिली, वन फ्यूचर। जब दुनिया कोरोना से लड़ते हुए पस्त पड़ रही थी तब भारत ने विजन दिया वन अर्थ, वन हेल्थ। हम पूरे विश्व को अपना परिवार मानकर चलते हैं। हम सबका साथ, सबका विकास, उस सिद्धांत पर विश्वास करने वाले लोग हैं और इसलिए इस पूरे क्षेत्र की रक्षा सुरक्षा भी भारत अपना दायित्व समझता है। साथियों, ग्लोबल सिक्योरिटी, इकोनॉमिक्स और जियो पॉलिटिकल डायनेमिक्स को दिशा देने में भारत जैसे मैरीटाइम नेशन की भूमिका बहुत बड़ी होने वाली है। आर्थिक प्रगति और एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी के लिए ये जरूरी है कि ट्रेडिशनल वाटर्स को प्रोटेक्ट किया जाए, टेरिटोरियल वाटर्स को प्रोटेक्ट किया जाए, फ्रीडम ऑफ नेविगेशन को इंश्योर किया जाए और ट्रेड की सप्लाई लाइन और सी रूट्स सुरक्षित हो। मुझे खुशी है कि आज भारत इस दिशा में लगातार कदम उठा रहा है।